Chess isn't about brilliant moves. It is about better decisions. Most games at the club level aren't lost to genius attacks. They are lost to small mistakes, poor planning, rushed moves, and misunderstanding simple positions. That is where improvement really begins. Welcome to PecoChess. This channel is dedicated to practical chess improvement for serious club players. No gimmicks, no unnecessary theory overload, just clear thinking and real positions. We'll break down how to think when there are no tactics, how to convert winning positions, how to defend worse ones, and how to stop making the same mistakes. Because improvement doesn't come from memorizing moves. It comes from understanding ideas. If you want to think more clearly at the board, if you want to blunder less, if you're serious about reaching the next level, you are in the right place. This is PecoChess.